Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I will show you how you can share your carts with family and friends. Yes, it's possible for you to share all the items you have in your carts, okay? Now, let's assume you have a lot of things in your carts and maybe someone wants to surprise you and the person tells you, share your carts with me or share the items you have in your carts so that I can buy everything for you. I mean, any friend of yours can offer that to you, right? Or a family member. This is how to do it. Go to your cart. Now, all the items, just select everything. Everything you want in your cart, just select it. Next thing you have to do is to click these three lines right here, and then you click on share carts. Is that easy? Okay. If there's anything here you don't want to share, you can untick it. All right. If you're okay with everything in your cart, you want to share everything, then go ahead, click on share now. And it's going to give you the option to share via message, Facebook, Messenger, or it will offer you more options. Choose the one that you like best. For me, I will choose the WhatsApp and I'll just share. Okay. I'll share to a particular number, and this is what the person will get. Okay, a message, I want to share my cart with you. That's what the person will get. Now, when the person clicks on the link, I'll show you what the person will see. Okay, so once the person has clicked on the link, the person is going to be seeing everything in your cart. Of course, your name, then your cart, everything here. Now it's easy for the person to just directly add the items in your cart to their own cart. Okay, of course the person has to have Temu app on his or her phone so that everything can go smoothly. Okay, so yes, you can see right here, I can just add to carts. Let's assume I'm not, like, this is a different person now. They can just add to carts, and just like that they can buy your cart for you. Yes, so this is a gift idea. If you want to surprise someone, a friend, a family member, anyone at all, just tell them to share your cart with you and buy everything in their cart. I can assure you that it's going to put a smile on their face. Okay, we are entering the festive season, the Christmas season. This can be a gift idea to someone. That someone special puts a smile on their face. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section. All right. Next video. Bye.